cigarette smoking dude. I got a problem with my attitude. It's hard for me to keep cool, but when I look at you, I see me, a reflection of a real soul. So pardon me if I may seem loose and out of control. It ain't the dream talking, it's me talking. Fuck if everyone knows you my girl and that's that. So hop on the back of this bike and roll. Let's roll now. I'll never let someone straight up disrespect you. I'll never let someone call you out your name. I'll always be the one that runs up to protect you. Cause I know if I was down, you'd come and do the same. So let's pack it up and move our life to Nashville. Build a studio in the house and do our thing. And I'll take you out and we'll go honky tonkin'. Get drunk and fall in Tennessee love. Tennessee love. Fall in Tennessee love. Fall in Tennessee love. Fall in Tennessee love. Can't you see the minds are shaking? Withdrawals from alcohol. Ain't no use in us faking. But it's our life, ain't it, baby? So ain't no use in us taking a chance with it. So I promise that I'll work on my patience. Someday, if we get lucky and we grow and get old, we'll look back and laugh about the circus and the show. But for now, we live it up, we spend it up when we go to the last call and every bar in this town. Turn the lights on and close, you and me now. I'll never let someone straight up disrespect you. I never let someone call you out your name. I'll always be the one that runs up to protect you. Cause I know if I was down, you'd come and do the same. So let's pack it up and move our life to Nashville. Build a studio in the house and do our thing. And I'll take you out and we'll go honky tonkin'. Get drunk and fall in Tennessee love. Tennessee love. Fall in Tennessee love. Fall in Tennessee love. Fall in Tennessee love. When I first met you, I was so broke, and I tried to hide behind the Alabama pines, praying that you didn't know about my problems, cause I couldn't bear to see you go. And when you found out all that happened, your little heart was broke, and I had to earn it back. And I learned in fact that money don't fix that shit. Not tattoos and I love yous, it's trust that I had to get. I'm sorry that I ever hurt you for anything that I did. Can I put this ring on your finger that you know that I'm serious? Marry me now. I never let someone straight up disrespect you. I never let someone call you out your name. I'll always be the one that runs up to protect you. Cause I know if I was down, you'd come and do the same. So let's pack it up and move our life to Nashville. Build a studio in the